Welcome back guys, we are here again with another bag series. We have made a lot of videos about different bags and today the brand we are going to be talking about is TomTok. In this video we are going to be covering TomTok's laptop bags and we are going to go in the details about the features, material, design and everything that you need to know so that you know it's worth the purchase or not. So right now I have this versatile A12 laptop shoulder bag which weighs 540 grams and it comes in 3 different colors as you can see on the screen. So you have variety of options to choose from. Right now I have this blush pink color which has a very old school and fashionable look to it.
The great thing about TomTok is that they use recycled material in all their bags.
Now coming on to the design of the bag. This bag has a slender design which blends modern style with high quality material and it is built in a way to hold your laptop and devices securely. Very functional and trendy.
Also, looking at the shoulder straps, they are very comfortable and
which are made from PU leather, so it has gotten a good grip and very comfortable. And as given in the name, versatile. This bag can be carried as a handbag or a laptop bag with the help of the handles, and also you can carry it on your shoulder with the given strip. This bag has a slender design which blends modern style with high quality material. It is built in a way which holds your laptop and devices securely. Very functional and trendy. Now coming on to the material of this bag. The bag is made of polyester PU. It's durable and is made of high quality material so that your bag lasts long and your belongings are protected over time. This bag has a water repellent surface so your devices are safe even in the rainy season. Now looking at the handles are made of PU leather which gives it a very comfortable and secure grip. Now coming on to the corners, they have given corner armor technology, gives protection to your corners and prevents it from the damage even after some sort of fall and etc. Now looking at the compartments of this bag. So looking at the compartments, there are 4 compartments on the outside of this bag. 2 in the front, 1 in the back and the main compartment. Coming on to the front zipper compartment. Before that, all the zippers in this bag are YKK zippers, which is a premium brand, and it secures your items and also gives you a smooth glide while opening and closing the zip. Now looking at the front compartment, here they have given 3 inside pockets so you can organize your belongings neatly. Here you can put your charger, laptop charger, power bank, cards or wallet, etc. Now moving forward to the other 2 pockets. These 2 pockets are hidden quick access pocket that uses magnet for easy closure while remaining discreet. Here you can keep your notebooks, wallets, etc. Things that you want to easily access. And as you look in the back pocket, you can see a zipper. It can be used as a trolley sleeve so you can attach it to your rolling luggage and it can be very convenient. Coming on to the main compartment of this bag, as you can see inside also they have given this padding. So even if your bag falls, your laptop and devices are going to be perfectly secure. And the material they have used inside, it's
also
very
this bag
soft,
is suitable
so you
for
don't have to
14
worry
inches
about the
MacBook.
scratches,
I think you
etc.
may not be able to store general 14 inches laptop in this bag.
TomTok has given this corner armor technology that prevents the damage to the corners of your laptop and devices. Now looking at the overall to this bag, this versatile A12 laptop shoulder bag, or looking at the design I can say briefcase laptop bag, it is totally stylish and unique and it totally goes with its name versatile because it can be used by men and women. It's not too big, not too small, so it's convenient for traveling, commuting or for daily use like office workers can use it, business meetings, college students, etc. And as I told you, there are 3 different colors, so you can choose according to your style and preference. That's all for this video. We are gonna be back again with another video of different products. For that, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. See you soon in the next video.